Okay, hey guys, it's Selena at 123, and today in this video, it's actually a tutorial on how to get free ringtones for your iPhone. So basically what you need is a laptop or a computer. You can use Windows or Mac. Um, Basically right now I'm using Mac, so if you want a Windows tutorial, my tutorial is kind of basically like the same thing, but oh well. So you have to have iTunes on either your Windows or your Mac. Your Mac already has iTunes, so you don't have to worry about that if you're using Mac. So anyways, about the ringtones. Now let's just say that I want my ringtone to be this song, okay? The Postal Service, this place is a prison, okay? So I'm just gonna play it, and I will stop the song at like in 10 seconds. Well, like actually two more seconds. Like, yeah, actually I already, never mind, let's just use another song because I actually made this in another tutorial, so sorry. Let's just say you want Wrecking Ball for your like ringtone, okay? So, yeah. We're gonna stop it at 0.10, okay? So just let it Okay, so that's like about 10 seconds, right? So basically what you want to do is you want to right click on the song, click Get Info, and then you will be launched into this area, and you want to click the Options tab, and you want to, and then you have to like check mark these two boxes, and before you erase this number, you have to copy it. And I'm not going to tell you why because you're going to find out in this video. And then you have to write down your stopping point, like the when you want your song to stop. So I want my song to stop in like 10 seconds. So I'm going to click OK. And let's just see if it works, because otherwise I'm going to have to like redo the whole thing. It's going to stop in like 1 second. See? So after you do that, you're going to right click on the song again and click create AAC version. So now there are two versions, the full version and yeah. Well, this isn't the full version, it's like the same amount of time, but it says 3.41. So you're going to right click it, click on the song again. Hold on, sorry. And click Get Info. And then you're going to paste the time that I told you to erase. And then you're going to uncheck mark the boxes and click OK. And do this for the original version, by the way. So for the song we just fixed right now, it's going to play the whole song. But the bottom one is the ringtone version. Now, after you're done with that, what you need to do is you have to put this, like the 10-second version, onto your screen. So now it's like right here, obviously, and what you want to do, whoops, gosh, don't play it, I'm sorry. For some reason, it takes forever for me to actually click on the, oh god, I'm so sorry about this, but, I'm trying to fix the A into an R by trying to, yeah, see, like that. So instead of, now you have to erase the A to an R, because the A is gonna make this file as in like an MP3 file. If you make it an R, it's like a ringtone file, so yeah. So then you want to click enter on your keyboard and click use .m4r. So that's gonna be that. So then you have to plug your phone into your laptop, obviously, and then once you do that, delete the 10-second song because it's already on your home screen anyways, and you have to delete it like in your move trash. You have to delete it in your iTunes thing. Okay, don't delete this, don't delete the real version, just delete the 10-second song that you made. Otherwise, it's not gonna go into your ringtone thing. So anyways, click iPhone, and then click Tones. Hold on. gosh, it's not working. Isn't that stupid? iPhone tones. Okay, sorry you had to hear me saying that, but okay, I found it because for some reason it wasn't working. It just turns out that it takes some time to process. So hold on, let me go back. Never mind. Okay, so you go on iPhone and then go to tones and you're gonna see this and check mark, the song that you just got, and I check mark Wrecking Ball by Miley Cyrus, and then you click apply. And if you did like more songs, make sure you check mark all of them. Otherwise, it's gonna be deleted on your thing, on your phone. So yeah. So so yeah. Now officially, it's onto my phone. So I'm gonna play it. Okay, let me just go on settings and oh, and by the way, in order to find out your ringtone, you have to go on settings, then you go on sounds, and then you go on ringtone, and here you go. OMG, it's right there. Like, oh my god. Here's my regular ringtone. I just find it funny. So, so I hope this tutorial kind of helped. Sorry if it was not as good as you expected it to be, but to tell you the truth, this took me forever to actually do. You can ask my friends, because, oh my god, that took me forever. So, below in the description box, I will clearly restate the questions, the steps, and you should probably get that. So, bye! Whoa, did it just like